I am Sandeep, and today we would be learning and starting with keyword research. Do you know that keyword research is the stepping stone of search engine optimization? Yes, the entire Google search engine is functioning on keyword research. So let's dive deep into the world of keyword research. So for any search engine, be it Microsoft Bing, YouTube, Google, it's the way of understanding any sort of customer's query. It's like the same way you go out for a shopping. You go to a mall or shop for making a purchase of any product. There after you go, you ask the salesperson very basic questions. You ask him about the brand of the product. You ask him about the price. You share him the size or quantity of the product. So what would be the next step? So the salesperson will be listening to your query. The query is your client requirement, and thereafter the client requirement is matching, then he would hand over the exactly needed product to you. So isn't it right that Google functions the same way? Yes, Google's function exactly the same way. If you go to Google search engine and type in the search query about anything, be it if you want information about showrooms of any kind of product, just like if you want to have information about Van Heusen shirts, so you type in the query Van Heusen shirts online price. So once you enter the query, Google will be displaying relevant search results on his page. So if you get to see, these are the top search results that Google has displayed on its search engine result page, SERP. So what exactly keyword research do? Keyword research basically matches the query that you put up in any kind of search engine, and once the search engine matches the query that has been given to its own platform, then thereafter it would start searching of websites, pages, titles, URLs, and match whether the keyword that you have given to Google is matching up with them, right? So the query has to match with any kind of website title, website page, blog title, as well as the website name also in some cases. So here we see how search engine functions. You put in the search query here, and after Google has done the searches, it will display the top results. So these are the top results. First result, second result, and third result. So here you see, if you click to one of them, you will be seeing Van Heusen shirt prices. So Amazon is displaying me Van Heusen shirts. So in this way, it would be displaying the query that you have given to Google. Similarly, if you search Colgate toothpaste 200 grams, to make an entry. Now what Google will do? Google will be matching the websites that is offering exactly the same keyword that I have just given to Google. Colgate toothpaste 200 grams. So you can see the search results here. Amazon is displaying Colgate toothpaste, Colgate toothpaste and 200 grams. Colgate toothpaste and 200 grams. And Netmeds Colgate toothpaste 200 grams. So are you getting that how search engines give search result? So for any kind of search engine, a keyword is treated like a product, and the most relevant search result is put on the top position of search engine result page SERP. So this is the SERP, search engine result page. So tomorrow we will be discussing more about keyword research using certain keyword research tools, and also we will be learning about primary keyword research, secondary keyword research, and latent semantic indexing keyword research, that is LSI keywords. So see you guys there. Thank you.